Hey y'all, it's your girl Aravia and I am back with another freaking video. This wig was actually sent to me from ReadyWig to do a review for you guys, but I'm also going to be doing an install. This is the box that the wig came in, which is a cute little hair box. Inside the box, well, I took out the wig. It came with a card and it has their information on it. And it also has hair care instructions for the wig. Like when I get a wig and they put like little extra stuff like this inside the box, you could put conditioner or anything in this bottle. And it also came with wig caps. For some reason, these wig caps like fit my skin complexion so well, so I love these wig caps. Here she is. Okay, y'all, but this is the wig. How freaking cute is this wig? I love the color, let me say first. Surprisingly, this is a synthetic wig. It looks like it's a, and I say a lot, so I'm sorry for that too. For it to be so long, it still looks like a human hair wig. Like, this is what it looks like in the front. And as you could tell, this is the parting. And I'll show you guys the outside of the wig. Okay, so showing you the inside of the wig, that is how much parting space you have, which is really good for a synthetic wig. So you have enough parting to make a big middle part. But once you start getting over here for the side parts, you don't really have that much room. It's like minimum space to make parting on the sides. And all I did was just go inside of the wig and add a little bit of my powder foundation just to give it a little bit of a brown tone. This wig is from ReadyWig. I also have the information about this wig in the description as well, so you can check it out. Putting my wig on halfway. This is what it looks like when I have it on, and oh my gosh, I love this. This is a new favorite. So this is what it looks like. Okay, y'all, so now I have the wig installed, and that's about it. So I didn't pluck it or anything, and I know on the last wig that I did, I added baby hairs, but for this one, I'm just gonna leave it like it is right now. I'm not gonna go and add any baby hairs. I might add baby hairs later, but just not right now. Yeah, so that's it. Comment below and let me know how y'all like this wig. I'll even show y'all how it looks when it's not behind my ear. I highly suggest you guys check out ReadyWigs, and I'm glad I was able to show y'all this wig. Thank you, ReadyWig. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for the support. Follow me on Instagram at Aravia XO, because that is where I'm at the most. I also have content that's on there that's not on here. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Bye.